Alright, today's Saturday, February 20th, 2021. We live in East Texas, and although it's warming up finally, we're still affected by the winter weather. We haven't had power for, well, really since Monday. It's been on a couple of times, but we've not had power sustained for about 3 days. And I'm running the furnace. So if you have a forced air gas furnace like we do, you can run it, and I'll show you how. So I've got the furnace plugged into an extension cord. Now, if your furnace is hardwired, you're going to have to take that box apart that's in here and wire in an extension cord male end. Right? So this extension cord goes outside through the window and runs all the way over to my car that you can hear running right over here. And it's hooked into this 1000 watt pure sine wave inverter, okay, that I got hooked up to the battery. So this is sort of the magic. You need to have a pure sine wave inverter that can handle the power draw of your fan on the furnace. Now our fan draws about 800 watts, so this 1000 watt inverter does take care of that. Now, the only issue is if you let your car run at idle, you're going to start draining your battery. So, what I did is I put a little 2x4 wedge up against the gas pedal to keep the car going at, about 2,000-ish RPMs. It's a little bit over now, which is fine. Okay. So what we've been doing is we've been just letting the furnace heat the house up to temperature, and then we shut it off and then fire it up again. Alright, so that's how to start your forced air gas furnace if you don't have any power.